Oh no! Wait!
Baby, no!
We gotta get him back!
Morphle, Morphle!
3, 2, 1, blast off! Woohoo! Wow, this is out of this world!
Yeah, baby's going moon!
Morphle, we're gonna need a moon landing.
Babies! Babies! Over here!
They're not listening. They just want to play games. Play games, that's it. We need them to play with us so they get tired. Tag, you're it, Jordie. This is so much fun. You're it. Ah, you tagged me. Now I'm going to tag you, babies. It's working. The babies are getting tired. Gotcha. Huh? They're chasing each other through an asteroid field. Ooh, that can't be good. Let's go. Well, at least she's safe for now. Hurry, Morphle!
Morphle, say, baby!
You're safe now! But where's Fifi? Fifi! I can't reach. We have to stop that asteroid. Morphle! Morph into the biggest thing you've ever morphed into! A planet! Won't the asteroid crash? Not if it's a bouncy planet!
Bouncy planet? Okay, Mila! Bouncy planet!
You did it! Aww! Wow! Whoa! Look at that!
Oh, what's that?
Ooh. It's a poster for Geraldo's new ice cream machine. It turns snow into ice cream.
Ice cream, yummy!
And you cute little babies have never tried ice cream before. Come on, let's get some.
To mountain!
Oh, ice cream! Me too. Let's go.
Roll up. Who wants some delicious ice cream?
We all do, please. How does this work?
Well, the machine takes the snow, makes it nice and clean, and turns it into delicious ice cream. Here you go.
Thank you, Geraldo. Enjoy your first ice cream. One ice cream a day is quite enough. Hi, everyone. Geraldo, we're here for some ice cream. No more ice cream. Baby, stop. Morphle, get them. Babies!
I can't make it stop.
Everything's okay now. No, it isn't. Look! We have to stop this dessert disaster. I know. Morphle, dig a deep trench to catch all the ice cream. Keep going, Morphle.
Diggy dig dig! Diggy dig dig! Baby smile!
The trench isn't deep enough.
Yummy!
How are we going to stop it? Gobble Frog, can you help? I love you, Gobble Frog. You're the best magic match ever. I bet you've had enough ice cream for one day. I think we all have.
Babies want more!
I know you're excited, Catmo. It's not every day you get to meet your magic match. I can't wait for the day I'll meet my magic match. But today is your special day. Aditi will be here any moment. Aditi! Hello, Aditi. This is Catmo, your magic match. Hi. It's great to meet you, Catmo. I can tell you're perfect for each other. My pet primer says you're a 100% match. Catmo's so excited her weather-changing powers are out of control. And you're excited too, right? Aditi, aren't you happy to meet Catmo? I am. Catmo is amazing. But meeting someone new makes me so nervous that my words come out all wrong or don't come out at all. Don't worry. We'll find her and clear things up. Come on. Catmo's feeling bad, so she's turning the weather bad. Her emotions are connected to the weather.
What a great day for a swim.
Catmo, please stop. We want to talk to you. And you're getting us all wet. I like your style, buddy.
Thanks.
Catmo, Aditi wants to tell you how she feels about you. I'm nervous. I mean bad. I meant to say that I'm nervous so my words come out bad. It's okay. We all get nervous sometimes. Yeah. Take me, for example. I get nervous by speed, height, broccoli. Water! No, I actually like water. Catmo, stop! You're turning Petport into Wetport. I mean, Iceport. I mean, Snowport. Oh, I give up.
Me too.
What? No, we can't give up. Aditi, you and Catmo are a magic match.
It's no use. When I try to tell her how I feel, my words come out all wrong. If only I could show her instead.
That's it. We'll show Catmo how you feel about being her magic match. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Catmo, look!
I'm glad you're my magic match.
Now I'm glad it stopped raining. Oh, Jordie. What a great day to make sandcastles.
Huh? What's that?
It's a beached whale.
Whale built sandcastle?
No, Morphle, it's accidentally been washed up on the beach. We need to get it back into the water immediately. Careful, Morphle.
Morphle can't move well.
We have to keep it wet. Morphle, morph into a fire truck. Great, but how are we going to move it? Great idea, Inkra. We'll make the whale tiny so we can move it. Then we'll make the whale big again when we put it back in the ocean. Why didn't I think of that? Inkra, could you make the whale small enough to put in this bucket, please? Let's go get some water.
Whales are huge, but this one's tiny. I know. It must be a magic pet. What's your magic power? Oh, watch the hair! Never mind, I'll find out at home. Come on, let's go. I've got a magic pet!
Winston! He thinks the whale is a magic pet. We've got to get it back in the ocean. Morphle, morph into something speedy, please. Winston, it's not a magic pet.
What?
It will.
I can't hear you!
We need to get it back into the ocean.
What are they jabbering on about? Why can't they leave me and my magic pet alone? You can't catch me!
But Morphle can. Never stop, Winston.
Hey, let go!
Take that. Quick, Morphle! Morph into a speedboat!
Do something magical!
Winston, that's a real whale.
How come it's so tiny?
Watch! Now, Inkra!
Whoa! I wondered why I wasn't doing any magic.
Hello, brother.
Oh, my hair!
Aww, the day we became a magic match.
Morphle love Mila.
Are you guys ready? I'm always ready for a swim.
Morphle ready.
We're not just going for a swim. We're going to find Wishyfish. Wishyfish? Come on, I'll explain on the way.
Have fun, kids!
Bye, Daddy. Wishyfish is a really shy magic pet that lives deep in the ocean. She can make a single wish come true, but it only happens one day a year. So we gotta get there fast.
Morphle fast.
Whee!
Bloop, bloop. Morphle submarine. Fish pretty.
Jordie, what will you wish for when you find Wishyfish?
Well, I want to find my magic match.
Eee! That's so exciting!
Let's Wishyfish.
No.
Let's Wishyfish. Let's Wishyfish. Let's Wishyfish.
No, Morphle. Look! Wishyfish! Whoa! Slow down, Morphle. She's really shy.
Morphle sorry. And stuck.
Oh no! We're gonna miss Wishyfish. Don't worry, Jordie. It's not too late. Morphle, morph into something to free us from the seaweed.
Morphle chop chop.
Wow! It's Wishyfish. Quick, Jordie, make a wish. Wishyfish, I wish to find my...
Wishyfish, no go.
Don't worry, Jordie. Let's follow her into the ship. Come on. Why does it have to be a spooky shipwreck? There she is. Nice and slow so we don't spook her. Emil! Wishyfish is stuck. Morphle, morph into a big octopus to shake off this eel.
Hello.
Bye! Wishyfish, we didn't mean for any of this to happen. She's really stuck! Wait, my wish! Wait, now?
Wishyfish, I wish for you to be free. Wow. Goodbye, Wishyfish.
Jordie, you used your only wish to free Wishyfish. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Mila.
Jordie, no magic match.
Well, I know I'm going to find my magic match one day.
And until then, you have the two of us.
Morphle love Jordie.
I love you too, guys, but you're really squeezing me.
My genius barbecue plan to catch Shrubcub is going to be awesome.
Shrubcub, make a vine for us to play on, please. Thanks, Shrubcub.
Look, there's that magic pet.
She looks like a lion, so she won't be able to resist these burgers.
Then you have a magic pet.
Oh, it's not tasty.
What are Winston and those bandits up to? No, Shrubcub, come back.
She's coming. She's coming.
Those burgers aren't for you, Shrubcub.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Aww.
That's not the kitty I wanted. Get us out of here.
Uh-oh, we need to save them!
Morphle, let's go!
See you soon! Good luck!
Go higher, go higher! Help us!
Morphle, morph into a helicopter!
Morphle rescue bandits! Got him!
Uh-oh.
Get that lion away from us!
Don't worry, he's only interested in burgers. Only interested in burgers. That's it! Morphle, morph into a giant burger! On roller skates! Come and get this nice burger! It's working! Let's get out of here!
Morphle burger steak! Yee-haw! Oh, Morphle now! Oh, smell tasty!
Yeah! Look how happy he is! We're back! Hooray! Let's open our mystery dino egg toys! Ooh, I got a Diplodocus! Neat! I've got a Velociraptor!
Whoa, Morphle got T-Rex!
What are you lot up to?
Would you like an egg too, Winston?
Thanks. A pterodactyl? It's tiny, and it doesn't even do anything.
Inkra, Animi, a little help, please. Ha! Gardening's easy with you two.
That's how I can make this silly little pterodactyl a lot better. Hey, you two! Boom! Ha ha! I'm a genius!
Huh? Put me down! I'm not your baby! I don't know what's stranger, a huge
much pterodactyl flying around Petport, or that it thinks Winston is its baby.
Come on, let's go rescue him.
Morphle get baby Winston.
Put me down!
Down too fast. Give Winston back.
To the rescue!
Here's your ice cream.
Thank you.
They went that way!
Thanks, Gerardo.
No, I don't want it! It's not even a real ice cream, you silly bird!
Don't worry, Winston. We'll rescue you. He's keeping us away from its baby.
We've got to get the pterodactyl away from Winston. But how?
I know. Morphle, can you morph into a big egg with legs? Excellent job, Morphle.
Ingra! Animi! Zap it!
Whoa! What is going on here? Morphle, morph into a giant net and let's trap this dino.
Got it!
Animi, Inkra, zap it now! Here's your toy, Winston.
No way! I'm never playing with a toy dinosaur again. Never, ever!
You're so good at that, Morphle.
Whoa! What's happening?
Those vines look angry and alive. Watch out! Get us away from them!
Ooh, that was close.
Mila! Morphle! Jordie! Help! Jenny's in trouble! We have to save her! Gotcha! Thank you.
What's happening to Petport?
It's Shrubcub. She's sick. Whenever she sneezes, more vines grow. She's stuck on that flower and I couldn't get to her. What should we do? When Morphle's sick, I always give him magic tea. Let's go back to the Magic Pet Center and get her some.
But how are we going to get in?
Morphle, we need a plant-eating creature.
And better make it a big one. Yes, it's working.
Whee!
Shrubcub sneezing makes more and more vines grow.
Mila, broccoli! Got it!
Whoa! Put me down!
Shrubcub can't control her powers. She's going to get herself stuck in that flower. Hi, Aunt Augustine.
Hello, Mila. I'm having a slight gardening issue.
Don't worry, we're on the way to stop those vines.
Quickly!
Morphle stuck! Morphle, morph into a dragon. Good job, Morphle. Hold on tight. No, Shrubcub. We're too late. She's stuck. Jenny, you can't give up. Your magic pet needs you more than ever. Aww. Shrubcub, I'm here. I'm gonna make you better. Everyone, pull! Shrubcub gonna sneeze! Give her this! She's better! Yes! Do you think you can help us save the city?
Yay! Shrubcub's using her power to get rid of the vines.
Thank you all. Magic Match Love is the best medicine in the world. This stuff's good too. Ooh, what are you painting, Morphle?
Morphle paints Mila!
Well, it's a lovely portrait. Thank you, Morphle.
Wow, great work, April.
Thanks, Jordie.
Oh, fun! Over artist too! Over love green!
He's gonna turn Pepport into Paintport. We have to stop him. Morphle, chase that paintbrush.
Paintbrush chaser!
Who's a beautiful shiny police car? You are.
Green better!
My beautiful car. He went that way.
We'll get him, Officer Freeze.
Must stop Orphle!
There he is.
Oh, whoa!
Catch him, Morphle.
Got you! Hey, what's happening?
Our beautiful town is so messy. Morphle, morph into something even bigger and catch that naughty Orphle.
Who's all clean again? You are. That too. Oh, no!
Beautiful!
Stop it, Morphle.
Never paint! No, stop Orphle!
Yes, stop Orphle.
You messed up the whole town.
Huh? Green pretty!
You can't just paint everything without asking.
Over sorry.
How are we going to clean it all up?
Nothing now. Over help! Mother give town salad!
Oh. Thank you. You look so beautiful.
Painting town fun! Cleaning more fun!
Is everyone ready to play Capture the Flag?
Don't you mean are we ready to win Capture the Flag?
Yeah!
We'll see about that.
A reminder of the rules. Team Morphle has to capture the green flag and take it to our red castle.
And Team Orphle has to capture the red flag and take it to their green castle.
The first team with both flags on their castle are the winners.
And remember, stretchy arms are not allowed, okay?
Ouch!
Let's play! Yeah! Spread out!
We need to stop them. Excellent. Now let's grab their flag. Now let's get this to our castle and win the game.
Stop them, Orphle! Get that flag!
Drive faster!
They're too quick! Morphle, morph into something even faster!
Well done! You lost them, Snorkel!
Now it's Orphle!
That's what I said.
We need to grab their green flag.
Ha-ha! Got it!
I'll take that. Woohoo! The flag fell into the castle. Let's get it. Woohoo! Quick! Run back to our castle.
You'll never get past us.
What are we going to do?
Oh, Muffin now! Muffin!
Wait, what? Where'd they go? Quick, grab those flags.
Hey, that's cheating. We've won! We did say no stretchy arms, Orphle.
But don't worry, if you promise not to cheat this time, we can play again.
Let's play!